and our showroom is called Avenue Coucher. We are into luxury kitchens, wardrobes and built-in appliances. We are around 4 years right now in the market. Key categories, I would say kitchen cabinetry, built-in appliances and wardrobes. So this is what we are actually focusing on at Avenue Coucher. We want to get into the segment where we are giving the best of the best to my clients, and we come from a family where we are into builders and the construction fraternity, and we are again well known in and around the community and Bangalore and South India. So I don't want to give a product to my customer which is not the best. So I want them to experience the best, live with the best, buy the best. So that is the concept. So kitchens, yes, definitely Leicht is one of the best brands, best German brands that we can say available in India. And wardrobes, yes, Olivieri is really good for what they're selling for. The quality, the hardware, the fixtures, everything is excellent, and they come pre-assembled. Appliances, again, like I said, most of my clients who are actually using are referring us to other clients. So we are getting our orders through referrals, through architects. So this is our key categories. Materials, I would say in kitchen, the trending ones currently, see a lot of people are selling all the stone finishes, they're selling all this SS, kitchens lately in the market, right? So Leicht has very beautiful aluminum finishes. So it's a brushed aluminum. We have it in 3 colors. It's a champagne color, then the stainless steel, and then a darker grey kind of a color. These materials can be used in certain places of the kitchen where we usually do our design, especially on the island, which is a highlight statement piece, right? And design it with a contrast color on the cabinet. So we don't do designs and give finishes like other regular kitchen options. We come up with a very unique color combination, finishes combinations, I would say. We don't do basic finishes like laminates or just glass and just be with it. So we have very beautiful concrete finish, actual concrete done on engineered wood using a spatula technique. And then we have cotton steel. We have an actual stone finish, stone, no wood, coming on the shutters. So the natural stone itself. So such beautiful products that Leicht has is something that I would really love my clients to experience. So that's why the kitchens that we design, especially in the current trend, we try to do something out of the box. Like I said, we don't curate one option to my clients. We do at least 3 to 4 design variants, give them different concepts. So we understand our client's requirement. How is their day-to-day life? What do they do? Is it a dry kitchen, wet kitchen concept, or is it a single kitchen? So what appliances they're looking for, and how many people are there in the house? How often are they actually doing the cooking? So keeping all this in mind, we start off the design phase. And once this design is complete, like I said, we do around like 3 to 4 design options, which we showcase to our clients when they come with a beautiful 3D and everything. Our trends are actually out in the market with a design that is more user-friendly, more convenient. So even in the next 10 years or 15 years, the design has to be sustainable. So when they come here, they can experience all kinds of appliances, kitchen, cabinetry, material details, what it looks like to be a German kitchen, Italian wardrobes. Apart from that, we also provide live cooking experience for my customers when they come in here. We have a chef where we take a preset menu for them, do a cooking experience, allow them to enjoy the product while they're enjoying, learn how to actually use these appliances. Are these appliances suitable for their day-to-day lifestyle? So then we would let them decide if this is the right brand for them. Basically, all our clients are from the HNI community. And people who love a good design language, somebody who can actually appreciate a good product. We have done some very beautiful wardrobes and kitchens where we've definitely people who go visit have come back and told us like, Shruti, the product is really good. And we've got our appreciation from a lot of my clients from that industry. And we recently did a project where it was a little bit challenging. It was a single straight line, and we had to make it look like a kitchen with a living concept. So it was a beautiful concept that we designed. It's a 25,000 SFT house. We are also doing wardrobes for the same, and the client really loved the end product. All of my clients, for that matter, love the end product. The trust they have in us and in Aveni Crochet is what is driving us to do this. For every client, we fine-tune their requirements and the luxury that they are asking for. For example, I have some clients coming and asking me that we want a lot of storage space. Some clients asking me that we want a lot of crockery unit space. Some clients ask me a design where they want it very neat and clean. They don't want too much storage. So we have all kinds of clientele. So like I said earlier, we highlight our clients' requirement and the kitchen that they're buying from us or the wardrobes they're buying from us with the materials, firstly, secondly with the finishes, third with our design language that we use. So it is very exclusive to Aveni Crochet only, the designs that we curate. Something that is very, very creative, very artistic, and even after 20 years, they will not get bored with the layout that they would have got designed from us. They can reach out to us on Google. We have a link, and then on Instagram, social media, website, so everything is available. I would say right now there are thousands of brands in the market, right? If I am a consumer, I would go visit. I don't have the time to visit all the 1,000 brands, right? So I will narrow down my search to the most required set of list. So when we come to that category, I would say my requirement would be a kitchen that is more durable, or a wardrobe that is more functional, more user-friendly, where I have more storage space. Similarly, same thing applies for kitchen. So, and the second thing is who will give me a better service. So in any industry, service is something that really matters. So we are there, we will be there. So for any call, anything, and our product doesn't require that constant, service where every now and then you have a pick up a service call. No. Appliances, kitchen, wardrobe. So you just install, do it neatly. We visit every 6 months once, just check if they have any requirements, anything to be checked from our side. But other than that, I would say pick the right product. Why? Because this brand, especially Leicht, it's all coming from Germany. So a small screw, one small hardware, everything is coming from there. And we give the best. The output is really something that they will dream of. Whatever they see here, they will get exactly the same. You guys are doing a pretty great job. I think it's one space where a lot of designers, architects, clients can look for a good product, especially in the architecture industry, where we have a vast, catalog of options, right? So you guys are doing really great as in identifying certain products, bringing them up to a client or an architect's knowledge. So I guess without you, probably it will be hard for people to know about a brand like Aveni Crochet or know about a brand like Leicht somewhere, anywhere in the country, right? So you guys are spread out throughout India. So I think this is really great what you guys are doing.